accidentally turned on my iPad. It has a little bit of battery, so this might cut off. And then I have to like until I find my charger, I have to make a new post this, which will probably take. Let me remind you, none of my videos have edits. None of them are edits. At least I don't think so. Maybe my cousin put an edit for me. I don't know. So I do not have any edits so far. So this, I just gotta post it, then I gotta wait for it to load. I don't know what it's called. Why is my Hey. 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 Can you test my slime, please? Can you test my slime? Please test it. I added more shaving cream, like you said. Please test it. I'm gonna add more shaving cream for fun. I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream for fun.
Oh, it's better.
Can see the slime. Wait, we need something to hold that. Can we put tape or something? Or are you just gonna stand there? Oh, that works. Thank you.
Welcome. Pancake slime.
We just gotta change the color. This is pancakes. Wait, can we? Is that too much? Wait, what if we make that into a burrito? We just cover it. I don't take my shaving cream. What's gonna happen if we squish it? Is it gonna come out or is it just gonna stay there? Oh, it stays there. I think that made it worse. We just mix it, that's fine. Should I add more shaving cream? Wait, how about I add so much? It's like the slime turns big. Okay. I'm gonna try to add all of the shaving cream in this entire stuff. Why do you always make that noise? So a deer, a female deer. That's okay. Now we just fold. Please don't kill me. So dear, the fear. No, it's starting to get sticky. Okay, just go on the slime part. Don't focus on. Shaving cream is impossible to go away. It's turning so shaving cream. The glue bottle got stuck in here. Oh no, where's the other one? Is this a Soleil or a fake? I think this is I don't even know what in the world this is. Hey, look, at least it's cleaning up the mess that I made. Just going round and round. I'm just going to collect all the slime from the sides. Wait, it turned into slime with the glue that was on the axis. What if I add all the glue that's in there into here, then I make a really big slime? I'm doing it. Hello. Please come in here. You know what? Just throw this little piece of it. Circle. And they're gonna be our broom. This thing's gonna become a broom. It passed the pop test. Now it's a circle. Wait, what happens if I do my arm? Will it be like a print of my arm? Wait. Wait a minute. Please. That. This feels weird. No, I got stuck. Is this pretty? I don't know. I can't see it. Definitely passed the pop test. Now there's glue on my arm. Slime on my arm. Take your slime back. Take your slime back. Oh, my dear, female dear, hey, the trouble inside. Fast. I am tempted to add more shaving cream, and I will add more shaving cream. Let's make a circle. It's a nice big circle. No, I messed it up. I have to do it again. There. Give it a face mask. It feels like I'm washing my hands. Now press down and up. I did my hand. Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see. Now time to mix. Maybe I should look at more glue. That's okay. Now slap it. It looks like pancake, right? A little thick pancake. I got stuck on the what happened. I just saw my battery was said low power. That said battery. I don't even know. It's like 10%, blah, blah, blah. I just put low battery mode. We'll just put it. Oh no, did I move the camera? Oh no. Oh, I pee my shirt. So a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Why the high and my singing? I'm gonna add more. By the way, guys, did you notice my new nails? I don't know if you can. Please, slime, stay away from me. And that time you're almost ruining my clothes. Look at my nails. But they're fading away. I'm fading away. I think I added way too much this time. Yeah, never mind. I added more last time. Wait, did the camera move again? Now this thing looks extra. Wait, can we shape it to look like a croissant? Is that gonna look like a croissant? What if I make a cat out of this? Can I make a cat out of this? Can I make a cat? No, let's make a dog, that's better. Why does it look like Hello Kitty? Just do the smile. It looks like Hello Kitty. Now we're just gonna make the bow. And the ear. Oh my god, it's Hello Kitty. They can't see it from my side, but from my side, it can look like it. I made a tiny bubble. But I didn't make any noise. No hand, please be back. No hand. No. I want to waste this entire can of double shave. You can see when I'm angry. When I'm angry. 10 days, whatever the top comment is, I'm going to add to the slime. We'll try to add. The rules. You can't put anything bigger. You can't put anything bigger than this slime. And it can't be something that's living. Those are the only rules. And also, since some of your comments might be crazy, we're only going to do it on this small piece. And if it feels good and I like it, we're gonna add this into the base and we're gonna mix it. If you say shaving cream, I'm gonna add a bunch. Actually, I'm gonna add shaving cream right now. There, a fair mountain, rain, a drop of sun. Some people just don't have slime hands. Like what is that? What is that? I can't talk right now. Like, ow, I hate myself in the eye. Wait, let me do it again. So, wait, what was I saying? Oh, some people, they don't have slime hands. So what I mean by that is like, even if the slime is cut, it's like their hands are like not used to it. Am I weird noises? I can't sit down in this chair. Can you test my slime again? I added more shaving.
This is just my fingers.
But in 5 minutes, this video lasts like. This is gonna be maybe like an hour of the show. You also gotta watch part 1 and part 2. No, there's only a part 1 and part 2, right? Unless my tablet suddenly dies. Actually, what battery percent is it? If it has like a low battery. No, camera, no. Okay, I'll see me. I'm tempted to add glitter, but I don't know. I want to add food coloring. I have a Posca marker that I can use as food coloring or color. That's what I do with my other slime since I do not have. Since no, why? Was the camera always like this, or did it fall? Let me just. Fixie fix. Better? I have to itch my head. I'm gonna go see what happened outside. I want to itch my head. Wait, 5 minutes. 5 minutes passed. Actually, probably more than that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Did you miss somebody?
Man, I'm tired.
So yeah.
Are you going to test the slime or not? No, do not touch. Wait a second. Should we add a little bit more of shaving cream? It's the opposite day. Hey, come back. Come back. Now we're just gonna mix it. It just looks like a white pile of snow. Put this on the floor and it's gonna look exactly like snow. Just make sure it's cold weather. Weather. If anybody has instant snow, you better tell me where to buy it. I've never actually had instant snow, but I've seen it in YouTube. It looks so cool. And I was born in the winter and I just love snow. It got stuck on the floor. Hey, what can we do with the fork? Wait, what about we make pops with the fork? Wait, does that make any noise to you? Wait, what if I... Yeah, that's just fork for ASMR. Find another way to use the fork. Snack for fun. Okay, they might have done it too hard. Hey, test the slime now. The slime is ready.
Yeah.
like it?
I love it.
You can have a little bit.
Thank you.
Not all of it. Not all of it.
Thank you.
Not all of it. You can have this much. Other than that.
I like slime. Oh, so squishy. Fluffy.
That's what happens when you add a lot of shaving cream. So which slime did you like better? The one that I did first or the second one?
This one.
You don't like the one that I made without shaving cream?
Both of them.
But that means you don't like the other slime that I made before, and before.
I like all of them. Catch. Catch.
How about you catch this?
Okay.
Let
Thank you.
me take it.
Oh.
Thank you. Why did you take it?
Ooh.
I'm gonna make another video how to make slime but without shaving cream. Because with shaving cream it's obviously more sticky. Okay, now it's time to add glitter. What color of glitter should we add?
Makeup.
I don't even know if
Pink.
I'm gonna add gold. Don't ruin my tablet, don't ruin it. It's gonna die. There. I gotta become a minion to do it. Back. Can you see me better? Like the hater's gonna hate. No! The floor. The floor. Why you did it on the shaving cream?
Tablet.
It's gonna die. We're having a lot of technical difficulties. It's because your hands are warm. That's what's making the slime melt. Your hands are warm. My hands are cold like ice. No, it's... My eye is itchy. Okay, now it's time to add glitter. I've been playing around. Now I just have to take the slime off so now it's itchy. I'm gonna go grab it. Keep them company, okay? We got the gold glitter. It fell on the back. Now time to add a little glitter. Now time to mix. Why did you steal some of my slime? You can barely even see the slime. You can't even see the glitter. You can see like a little piece of it. More glitter. this is gonna be noticeable. Look, oh my god, the glitter is so noticeable. Okay, no more yellow glitter. Unless there's a little bit of slime. There's a big slime. I bet this thing isn't gonna even last like a week. I wanna try to make slime with activator, but I don't know where the hell activators. I don't even know where the hell activators are. So, if you happen to know any activators that are close to the Bronx, please tell me in chat, not in RL. And RL stands for real life or something else. I'm pretty sure that stands for real life. FR stands for real. I want to add like multicolors right now. Let me see if I have more. Since there's nobody to keep you company, play with the slime by making it play with it. Where's my glitter? Oh, green glitter. It's gonna look weird with glitter. Pop. I didn't need to add that much. Just sprinkle it on. The glitter went on the table. We were about to eat. Do please help. You have no slime on your hands. Move that big thing. No. Slime, you may fly. Now I'm gonna go see if there's more stuff in here. Did that do anything? It fell again. Please. I'm about to eat. So go ahead and make your own slime. Actually, you're probably going to take maybe 10 minutes. But this video is it's already up to like 36:79. And there's like one other part with like 19 minutes. So somebody please add that up. It's still going 37:09. I'm very tempted to add more shaving cream. I'm going to add it. I'm going to add it. Okay, I think this video is going on way. Wait, I just made a bubble. Wait, should I pop it? Remember that satisfying thing I did at the beginning when I did my hand and went like that? Try to do it again. Fluffy slime, please work to give me a satisfying pop. Fluffy slime does not work. Fluffy slime in the making with almost no shaving cream. Definitely work. I feel like I'm going to be trapped doing this forever. What's another fun thing I can do? Should I add more of everything to see what happens? My feet are going to be stuck together for the rest of it. a small proportion. This is going to turn better or worse? Better, worse. Please be better. Go, go, go. Please be better. Go, go, go. If you're wondering why my only short is a bunny eating a carrot, tell me why some of my videos have 0 views and that bunny munching a carrot got 11. Probably more now. I don't know. There's like this one Toca Boca one that I did, like one of my first videos I've uploaded. Probably not the first. I don't even know what the first video was. It was like a thing. I don't know. Is this slime big? I feel like I've been playing with the slime so long my arms are about to fall off. This thing is way too big to fit in a Ziploc bag. The Ziploc bag's probably like, here's a bag. We're gonna see if it can fit in there. We're gonna add a little bit of that on the bottom because that like helps the slime like pull together and stuff. Because when I put it like in a Ziploc bag, we did it. Mami, mira, hace una burbuja. Mira. Wait, can I put some slime inside? Again. It has to be big, big, big. We did it. A piece of slime. Go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside. Oh, more piece of slime. Go inside. It has entered the bubble and destroyed the bubble. I think this is where I'm going to end the video. That's what I'll have is a plug back and I'm going to do it on camera. Okay. Mommy. Mommy. What dog? Don't say we're getting it. I have slime on my hands. You think you can get my plastic foot loose?
Gusto mo yung
And also, can you give me the plug back?
Isa, no?
Slime, you should not pay us.
No, Pocas. No.
Can I have a Ziploc bag now? There has to be a big one to fit all the slime.
No, ayun. Te voy a dar en una bolsa.
No. It has to be a Ziploc bag or else it's going to stick to the... This is going to stick. Or we're going to just get like a million Ziploc bags. They put a little piece of it.
Kaya na po natin ito con el plastic.
Eso no puedo ver eso. Hay que tratar de poner todo este. Yo creo que voy a diseñar maybe dos. Yo creo que son dos. Ya vi, son los dos. Okay. Now let's just get a big chunk out of them. No. across the process. Mommy, do you think you can hold this for me, please? I can put the slime inside. The bag ain't working to hold it. The slime is still as big as it was before, even with like half of it taken out. So what is that? That was a nice piece of slime. Not even like half of it. It's so smaller though. Now we need another bag. Please be a good bag, please. I think we're gonna need 3 bags. Unless this one can magically hold all of the rest of the slime. And then we only need 2 bags. No, that's not enough. It would be a lot easier if we had a container. Wow, everything that I did. Wow, everything that I did. Oh. Why now you give me the container? Let me at least finish that one. Let me at least finish the
You didn't ask for the container. You put it there. Put it over there.
At least let me fill it up.
No, because it's fine.
I did one.
Why? Because you were playing with it.
Hey. When the day bleeds and the night showers and nothing get me through it all. We can carry in the space between. No!
No vayas a pisar en el piso.
Where did that come from?
From the sky.
What happens if this slime to cover it? I'll open it tomorrow. I'm gonna help you.
Vamos a bicicletear, güey.
Bicycle?
Bicicletear.
Only if we're going to a park.
Sí.
Oh, yay!
¿Verdad, Víctor, lo que sientes? Ay, sí. Ven, ven acá. Ven. Ven acá. Abre la boca. Abre la boca.
quiero dar un beso, no me engañes, me quiero dar un beso, no me engañes.
Yo quiero ver tus dientes, yo quiero ver los dientes, yo quiero ver los dientes, yo quiero ver los dientes, yo quiero.
Quiero dar un beso.
Yo quiero
Estás la
yo
loca.
te quiero dar un beso. Yo quiero
Viste la puerta, tienes.
Magic. I'm not gonna tell you the table for no apparent reason. But I have slime in this pen. Okay, here's our physical
¿Te hago mañana la dulcita o más tarde?
I got after. Tic-tac-toe. I'm ready to do this. Wait a minute. There it is. Okay, so 2 lines into the thing. XO, 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 XO. No, wait, 1. Hello guys, this video, baby. This video has almost been going for an hour, 5 minutes, and it's an hour. Okay, probably it's gonna be like an hour with all the parts combined. So, bye. Now I'm gonna go clean up soon. Bye. That was weird. Bye. Remember to do what I said in the comments. You don't have to, but do it. You do not have to do it, but please